Okay, prove that the circles are concentric. Now, if you don't know what the word concentric means, it simply means that the two circles have got the same center. Okay, so you can see here I've just drawn sort of an image here, which you can see that they both of these circles here have got the same center. Okay, that's what concentric means. So we can prove that by working out what the center is for both of these circles. So let's start off with circle 1. Okay, so we've got that there. Now we've got to get it into the equation format that we use, the main equation format. So I need to complete the square with the x's and y's here. So we're going to group them first of all. So I'll rewrite that as x squared, okay, take away 4x, plus y squared, take away 6y, take away 12 equals 0. Okay, so then I complete the square. Okay, so when you complete the square, you have a bracket x all squared, and you're going to halve that, aren't you? So half of -4 is -2. And then always then take away the square of this. So if you square 2, you get 4. Do the same in here then. Okay, so y bracket squared. So we're going to halve that, yeah? So we get -3. Okay, and then take away, I don't know why I put equals there, take away then the square of this, which is 9. Okay, and then don't forget then to minus that 12 at the end, and then it will equal to 0. Okay, so simplify this, you get x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared, and then -4 minus 9 minus 12 is 20 minus 25, isn't it? So take it over by 25. Now the radius I'm not really bothered about, but you can see the circle center from here, okay, which will equal to 2, 3. So we hope now that will be the same now with circle 2. Okay, and then we've proved that they're concentric. So let's look at circle 2, right? Now with circle 2 we've got a bit of a problem to begin with, haven't we? Because it's not x squared, it's 5x squared, isn't it? Okay, 5y squared. So we need to get rid of that 5. So we do that simply by dividing through the equation by 5. So we get x squared plus y squared, divide by 5, divide that by 5, divide that by 5, and divide that by 5, you get, what, 27 over 5. Now what you'll notice straight away is that the same format now, okay, not for that, but the same format we had up here, yeah? So x squared, take away 4x, plus y squared, take away 6y, take away 27 over 5 is 0. So it's exactly the same, okay, as we had up there. So we can rewrite, we'll complete the square properly, but we can essentially copy it, can't we, that we've got up here. So then we've got that 27 over 5 there at the end, okay. So that becomes then x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared. Okay, the radius then will be different. Let's work out the radius, or the radius squared. That'll become 92 over 5, so the radius will be the square root of that, yeah? But essentially, we've proved that the circle centre is the same. Okay, so we just say, look, same C1 and C2, same circle center. Okay, so that implies then that the circles are concentric. Okay, same center.